Okay, wait, sis.
Ano?
Picturean ko lang po, mama. Ang lakas ang ulan doon kanina.
Sniff it. Okay, let's see. I've been waiting for this cake since 8 a.m. And yeah, this is for my sister because her birthday is on September 28th. So I'm just going to check and then lagay ko na lang sa ref for a surprise. Let's see. Oh, that's so cute! Yeah, so I like how it styles. And there's also a candle. So ayun, kanina ko pa yan inaantay. Kasi I wanted her to, you know, open it by herself. Because it's her birthday and this is my gift to her. So, lalagay natin siya sa ref and I don't think maganda yung pagkariin ko. Romantic. Thank you, Kuya.
You can use the TV as a light.
Yeah, we can make it.
Just put a picture.
Nice. I think she'll love it. Hi. So this is like a realistic vlog since I cannot sleep yet in my room because of the construction going on. We just eat some mangoes or isa lang muna. Just one mango. Shit. Kumain na ako ng breakfast ko and hindi ko na siya na-film kasi ewan ko, tinatamad ako. Today is Thursday, September 18. Oh, shucks, 19. And my sister in the salon right now, getting ready for her birthday DIY photo shoot. And yun, gagayahin ko lang si Bretman Rock tsaka si Jen Barangan kung paano sila kumain ng mango, and this is what they did. O diba may pumupukpok sa sa taas kasi inaayos yung leak doon sa roof. So after mo siya ma-slice ng ganito, just going to twist it. Oh! And ooh. Mm. Mm. Feeling ko pagkakain ako ng manggaganto na yung gagawin tat. Twist naman natin dito ang kabila. Hala. Wait. Yun. Ba't parang nahihirapan ako? Yun. Wait. Kailangan ko ng spoon.
Wait.
So messy. So feeling ko matutulog muna ako. Kasi matagal pa yun siya magpapa-hair color. And right now it's 12:17. Yeah. Basta 12:17.
And my shift starts at 10 p.m. So, ang ginagawa ko talaga is sa umaga na ako nag-half bath or naliligo. And gigising na ako ng 9:50, which is a no-no. Huwag niyo pa akong tularan. And yun, kakainin natin. I feel like doing a vlog. Again. Pero this time siguro, pagdudugtungin ko na lang siya. Less effort na ako sa mga pag-edit ng mga effects, something like that. Yes, matrabaho, and if you wanted to show the video with your effort, kung dun ka talaga magaling, and you really love what you're doing, you can also do that. I just realized lang na wala lang, parang wala akong masyadong time para mag-edit. So, it's like a raw vlog. Wait, there's a dog. Chico! 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 Hi! Hello! Say hi! Do you see that? Nagwag yung tail niya. Say hi! This is a mango. Bye-bye! He's just waiting for her mom to go home. And feeling ko matagal pa yun din, mga alas 2. So, ako makakatulog pa ako. Papatayin ko lang ang buhok ko. Sarap. And the last one. Oh my gosh. Pero parang feeling ko kakain ulit ako ng rice. Na parang hindi na. Kasi yung breakfast ko kanina is bread lang na may Nutella, tapos dinip ko sa egg, and yun, tinost ko lang with some cinnamon and honey. Ang sarap ng mangga. Parang nabitin ako, pero enough na sa kakakain dahil tutulog na ako. I'm an outside. And that's it for my raw vlog. 2 more raw vlogs. And I'm saying goodbye, good morning / good night. Bye.
Saying good night to sleep tight. Oh, don't wake me up. Don't wake me up. Don't wake me up. What the? And you did nothing?
I just drink water.
You're bulag. Can you open it again? Like, Chico is also the one who accepted a while ago.
Because right now,
Can you
I'm
just
so thirsty.
open the door of the
What
room?
is inside? Ba?
You can bring it out. Let's check what's inside. Can you tell her? She's so blind.
I just put my makeup on.
What the heck? You have a makeup already? I cannot see
No,
it.
I put a foundation.
I cannot see it
on.
still. Can you put it out? Let's check.
Oh my god, and then I am actually. Thank you. I don't have a birthday. I don't have a cake yet. And you said, oh my god, today ba yun?
Yes, because you will have a photo shoot today.
No, Kadita have a message in here. And she said, happiest birthday, sis. You are sis?
Oh
You
no, the
sis
tail
means
is
a lot to
wagging.
me. I love you always. I love you.
Mga palak-palak in the whole wild world.
Nico.
Paano mo na lang kaya sa kanya yan?
And then, mom. Huh? What is that?
It's part of the
Oh, ang
photo
ganda!
shoot.
It's a Libra Queen. Hala, first time ko to.
So nice, oh.
Hala, where did you, order?
Ayan o, my page. Can you open it? I haven't opened it yet. Char, I
Later.
opened it.
Later na, you're so excited, mom.
Yeah.
Okay, so I suppose